Today
Sige na, padayon na. We're going to cook.
we're going to cook kadilyo with malunggay. Okay, now ikat ano na to?
Ikaw mo tayo makasasagkuhan.
What? Wait, painit na to ha. Okay, first let's put some oil.
How many teaspoon?
Ano yun? Pan-up yan. Teaspoon, tablespoon. 1 teaspoon.
Rugas, nagkamutan niya.
Pwede ba teaspoon?
6 teaspoon.
6? Okay. Okay, let's put 6 teaspoon of oil. 1, 2,
Uy!
3,
Kurog.
4, 5,
Masunog ta ha?
6.
Basta na na. Then ibutang dayon.
Taga kata, ana
Di ibutang dayon ng corn garlic tsaka
Okay, then put our garlic.
inita uy.
Then
Onion.
put our onion. Okay.
Dahil napaig na ang garlic. Tomato.
Then
Water sa
tomato.
butter.
Okay.
Yes. Saute.
Smells good. Put 3/4 cup of water.
Put some water again.
Okay. There you go.
Again, pagyaw pa.
Then let's wait for it boil.
It's 5 minutes.
Wait for 5 minutes. Then okay, now let's put our ground beef.
Pork.
Again, ang beef.
Harap tadi.
Harap. You throw it all.
Then mix it up. Okay. Then if it's naman ako.
Gamay raman tubig.
Papatubig.
Soup man mo. Then let's put our sayote. Okay.
Tubig. Add some water.
Tipos lang natin. Sige, isang istorya na ako. Then let's wait till the sayote is already soft. Okay.
Takog. So let's cover.
Kabe, didaggan pa.
Okay, then cover it for a while.
Okay. Oh. Wako ganahi sa akong gibuhat. Tamba na problema ko nimo.